Here we have a toy bunny. You can see it clearly, right?
Yes.
Now, let's place this clear glass between the bunny and you. Can you still see the bunny?
Yes, it looks clear and bright.
That is because clear glass is transparent.
Transparent?
Transparent objects let almost all the light pass through. Now, let's replace the clear glass with frosted glass. Can you see the bunny now?
Yes, but it looks blurry.
That is because frosted glass is translucent. Translucent objects let some light pass through, but they scatter the light, so the bunny looks fuzzy. Now let's place the piece of food between the bunny and you. Can you see the bunny now?
No.
That is because wood is opaque, they block the light completely. They do not let light pass through them at all. This experiment shows how different materials, some let light pass through completely, some let only a little light through, and some block light entirely.